Cooking tools are items used to prepare food, coming in different types and sizes, each identifiable by its shape and material. Proper use of these tools prevents damage and injuries. A grater is for shredding vegetables or cheese, a spatula for flipping food, and a knife for cutting. Caring for your tools helps them last longer. Wash metal tools to prevent rust. Clean wooden tools gently, and wash plastic tools with mild soap. Safety guidelines include not using wet hands with electric tools, always cutting on a board, using thick cloths to lift hot pots, and keeping sharp tools away from children. Organizing tools keeps your kitchen tidy. Group similar tools, hang spatulas and ladles, and stack pots neatly.